Assalamualaikum. Selamat pagi guys. Kita dekat Hamilton Bay right now. We are actually sleeping just next to a caravan park. There's a caravan park, but really noisy guys, the caravan park. Everyone from Perth come over here for the school holidays. I tell you, at night until like about 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, they are still talking and drinking. Oh, can't stand it. Luckily we are far away in the car park of the boat ramp. We can still hear them talking. Just imagine if you are sleeping in the caravan park itself. So anyway, enjoy the view. We already prepped. We already done our subuh. We're gonna maybe give about 5-10 minutes, and then we're gonna head out to Augusta. There is a lighthouse there. We're gonna try to get there and then take a bit of a video, maybe a drone. If the wind is too strong, I won't take out the drone sebab I worry I lose the drone but otherwise we see how it goes. Okay, let's go. We got a bit of a problem on the way driving. I heard a bit of a thud at the back, and I checked. It turns out the inner tire was flat. It's not only flat, it's actually punctured. So we turned around and found the closest town, which was Pemberton. Itu tayar dia tu. Tayar flat habis tu. Okay guys, update. No, they can't do it today because they don't have the parts. There's like a socket connector from their ratchet to the size that I got. They don't have that connector, and the shop that supply that connector is closed over the weekend, open on Monday. But he says probably the boss besok will have some idea how to convert from one size to the other size. So we park just in front of their shop. There's like a small park with a toilet. He says just park there, and then we'll get it to work tomorrow. If any of the ranger come and ask, just tell them that we got a broken punctured tire that need to be replaced, and they told us to come tomorrow. So pretty much that's it, because we can't drive the bus anywhere. The tire is punctured, so the best we can do is just park close to the shop and wait for them to fix the tire. So that's pretty much it. So today, hopefully they can fix it tomorrow. Otherwise we'll waste one more day. We wasted today already, so hopefully tomorrow is fixed and then we can move on. So see how it goes. Alright, update again tomorrow, yeah. Bye bye. Hey guys, May tengah masak. May, what you cooking? Oh, veggie and yesterday roasted chicken leftover. Wow, looks tasty. Okay, carry on. Okay, Assalamualaikum guys. So hari ni our second day in Palberton. Yesterday, like I said, the mechanic don't have the right tools to take out the tire. I mean the back tire, there's actually 4 back tire, so 2 on each side. So the outer side is already out, but the inner side he don't have the right tools to take it off. Attachment to his ratchet gun. So he's gonna get it today. Basically his boss is gonna come and might have the right tools to open up. So yeah, yesterday was a bit of a waste, tapi tak apalah. I finished one video yesterday. I edit one video and then we catch up on our sleep and we rest a bit. So okay lah, alhamdulillah lah. So we make good use of whatever time we have. Okay guys, all good. Those 2 guys working, they work on Sunday and then they only want to charge me $100. You've seen the amount of work they did, right? They just want $100. I was expecting like 250, 300, you know, but they just want $100. Nah, that's too less, man. I'll give you 150. I'll give you 200. They say nah, 200 too much. They say nah, just give me 100. I say nah man, 100. I'll give you 150. They took it. So okay lah, really nice blokes. So if happen you guys have a punctured tire or a broke down, you can call these guys up. The name of the shop is Manjinop Mechanic, 24-hour mechanic. Manjinop dekat in Pembleton. Okay, I'll put the company name down, and then in fact they said they're gonna follow me on the YouTube channel. We are at Windy Harbour. You see what they say there? You see salmon fishing area. Okay, macam betul je. Dekat Darwin ikan biasa je tak boleh tangkap. Nak tangkap salmon lah. Okay lah. Okay, kita try. Kita tengok beach dulu. But actually, honestly, I don't think I have time to stop for fishing salmon today. Sebab our destination today is will be Albany. So I don't know whether I have enough space or not. Yeah, I have enough time or not. So yeah, let's have a look. Boleh nampak tak? Nampak salmon tak? Sebab earlier I saw one sign. It says river mouth. So that river mouth probably is a river mouth for salmon. Itu macam lifeguard tu, Kalmira. Tu macam fishing punya ni fishing punya boat. Wah. Tapi tengok dia ni memang banyak seaweed juga ni. But doesn't look that bad lah seaweed dia. Tu ada orang mandi kat sana tu. Ada orang swimming. semalam lah. Semalam kalau tayar tak ada apa-apa, memang kita dah sampai ke sini, mungkin boleh tidur kat sini one night. Boleh malam fishing kat sini. Tak apalah, ada hikmah dia. But I think it's a blessing also. Sebab if I were to got my tire punctured here, lagi susah, tak ada mekanik apa semua. So that spot was a good spot for replacing the tire. So yeah. Yeah. Maybe it's an albatross. Okay, I'm still at Windy Harbour. Dia punya toilet, I just want to show you. Dia punya toilet punya dah bersih. It's a public toilet tau. Punya dah bersih. And there's a shower area also. So if yesterday, if the bus did not broke down, if the tire did not punctured, this place would have been one of the prime places we would have chosen to sleep for the night. It's really nice, it's really clean, and the best part is because it's a salmon fishing area, so that would probably make me decide to stay here and for the night and try fishing at night. But it's okay lah. Anyway, another thing also, I dah throw away my bed bone. My udang dah rosak semalam, busuk sangat dalam bus. Cannot take it already, I throw away. So might have to buy something again as a bed. Okay, now I want to check the spare tire. I didn't put the spare tire under the bus just because it would be easier for me to take it off and change it. So I just want to check whether this thing rubbing and tear or not, because I happened to transport something before and the metal rubbing the wire snap the cable, snap the strap. So seems to be okay. Seems like everything is okay. Okay, done. I'm quite happy with that. We are now at Walpole. W-A-L-P-O-L-E. Walpole. P-O-L-E. Walpole. So there's the beach. Or if you go down that way, there will be the beach. Okay guys, this is Green's Pool. Okay, so Green's Pool is actually one of Western Australia's most scenic photoresque spot. Okay guys, I'm now at Ocean Beach. Very peaceful. You see there's a pelican there. Let's walk a bit to that side. This town is very peaceful. I don't see anyone outside. Maybe good for people who are retiring. Oh, manjat aku. Yang mana aja burung itu keluar. Boleh nampak pelican tak? Ujung sana ada pelican. Maybe ada salmon tau. Okay guys, we finally arrived to Albany. Seems like by judging from the road that we have taken, I think is similar to Darwin City. Seems like the town is quite big. But anyway, I'll do the research and let you know how big is the population here in this town. But as you can see, yeah, I think it's quite big. So we're gonna stay here for tonight. It's kinda a bit late for us to go anywhere else, and we miss out on the sunset, but it's okay because it's quite a long drive. So we're gonna have our dinner when we got to a place that we can park. We're gonna have our dinner and then just solat maghrib isya, and then we wanna sleep. And then I'll make a video tomorrow. Okay, bye bye. Good night. Guys, I got sad news. I just lost the drone. I was flying to the bridge there to take up the picture of the drone,